In my last video, I showed you some of the herbs that I pick, such as dill and parsley. Few years ago, I was shocked at the price of the organic herbs at the grocery store. So, I was determined to grow my own organic herbs. Here is the basil that I grow in pots. After washing and gently hand drying, I place them in 2 trays, one with basil and dill. I set the oven at 170 degrees for approximately 20 minutes and turning every 5 minutes while checking the dryness. I also placed 2 other trays, one with parsley and one with dill, and repeated the same process. When herbs are dry, a hand crush them into smaller pieces and place them into the jars. Another option is if you'd like to hang dry them. So these are all the herbs that I've dried in the oven. In here I have basil, onion chives, thyme, parsley, another parsley, dill, and mint. These are all grown in my small backyard. They are organic and chemical free. Thank you for watching. My name is Anna Rica, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye! Smells so good.